Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset password on Ladder. So resetting your password on this app is straightforward and you usually do it through the login screen or email link. So actually guys, right here we have the login screen, and here once you open the Ladder app on the sign in screen, you can find and tap forget password option. So I don't have that option because I'm using Ladder on my iPhone. Okay, so the only option that I have is to sign in with Apple, so I can't actually show you how to reset your account's password, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation. Okay, so when you want to log in using your email plus password login method, you will find an option. It says forget password under the email field or at the top of the password. Okay, so once you tap it, you will need to enter your email address linked to your account, then just tap send reset link, and then you will need to check your email inbox and spam and folder actually, and open the email and tap the reset link, then just create a new password and confirm it. So after that you can log in with your new password. Okay, and you must use the same email you registered with. You will need to keep that in mind, and reset emails may take a few minutes, and if you don't see it, just check the spam and junk folder. So some login methods like Apple and Google, as I told you, don't use a password directly, so resets may not apply in those cases. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.